The Communications Factory asks, how does one succeed in manufacturing? The Thor. Modeled on the costume of the God of Thunder, it's been handling manufacturing jobs since the Truman administration, shown here with Flora May Watkins. The MacMurray. Housed in beautiful mahogany, this little gem handles manufacturing like a pro, and the goggles come standard. The Melvinator. Nobody but Melvin knows how it works or what it does, but it's been a valuable piece of equipment since 1939. The Communications Factory asks, how does one succeed in marketing manufacturing? There's a right way and a wrong way to create communications. If you're not taking a hard look at the way you create yours, you may as well be using the Thor and the Melvinator. Have a story to tell about your manufacturing mastery? We can turn it into a great story. We've been creating hugely successful stories and building manufacturing brands for decades. Give us a shout and let's chat about how we can help you tell it with even more power. Talk to you soon.